Hello, everyone, my friends. Today we continue our introduction to road curb machine. Let's first see a smallest type. This type is mainly used in the garden, mainly for landscaping, not suitable for road construction. Please check this video. For road curb construction, we have HT400, HT600, HT1500, HT2000, and HT3000. How to choose them? Basic model HT400. It can be used for basic road curb paving. It does not have the auto leveling or auto steering function. HT600 model. It has a qualitative leap with the addition of automatic leveling and automatic steering. It can make bigger curb size. HT1500. This type can pave much more bigger curb, small highway anti-collision wall, and small water canal. Screw feeder for conveying concrete to mold. It has two wheels drive, only suitable for wheel type. Cannot be changed to crawler type because the crawler type requires for wheels drive. HT2000 with four wheels drive. It has wheels type and crawler type. Can pave large curb, small highway anti-collision wall, and small water canal. For the common highway anti-collision wall, we also have HT3000 model machine. This machine is fabricated according to the Power Curb machine, a famous brand from USA. How to choose a suitable model? It should be according to the following factors. 1. Curb size. 2. Road flatness. It is related if you need to. Add the auto leveling function. 3. Straightness of the road. It is related if you need to. Add automatic steering function. Explanation of auto leveling function. If there is up or downhill, the curb paved also up and down. If you have strict requirements on flatness, you need to use auto leveling function. It has a detector which can detect the deviation from the reference plane due to road unevenness. If the road is up, it will lay lower. If the road is down, it will lay higher. Can ensure a more even and level curb. Leveling scope is plus or minus 40 millimeters. Explanation of automatic steering. The sensor senses the direction of road to realize the left and right turns at the front wheels. Okay, that is all for our road curb slip foaming machine. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Bye-bye. My friends.